Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Konkani Ulay. So my topic for today is family and relatives. In this topic we will learn what do we say for mother, father, uncle, aunt, etc. in Konkani. So are you interested to learn the same? Then please do watch the full video and subscribe to my channel for learning Konkani. And do share it with your friends and family. So let's start learning. The first word, mother. In Konkani we say avai. Avai. I help my mother with the housework. In Konkani we say as हांव म्हज्या आवयक घरांतलीं कामां करूंक मदत करता. हांव म्हज्या आवयक घरांतलीं कामां करूंक मदत करता. हांव means I. म्हज्या आवयक means my mother. घरांतलीं कामां means housework. करूंक means to do. मदत means help. The next word, father. In Konkani we say bapui. Bapui. Where is your father? In Konkani we ask as तुजो बापूय खंय आसा? तुजो बापूय खंय आसा? तुजो बापूय means your father. खंय means where. Brother. In Konkani we say भाव. भाव. My brother is gone for fishing. In Konkani we say म्हजो भाव नुस्तें गरोवपाक गेला. म्हजो भाव नुस्तें गरोवपाक गेला. म्हजो भाव means my brother. नुस्तें means fish. गरोवपाक means fishing. गेला means gone. The next word, sister. In Konkani we say भयण. भयण. How is your sister? In Konkani we ask as तुजी भयण कशी आसा? तुजी भयण कशी आसा? तुजी भयण means your sister. कशी means how. The next word, uncle. Father's brother. In Konkani we say kaka. Kaka. My uncle gave me a book. In Konkani we say म्हज्या काकान म्हाका पुस्तक दिलें. म्हज्या काकान म्हाका पुस्तक दिलें. म्हज्या काकान means my uncle. म्हाका means For me. Pustak means book. Dile means gave. The next word, aunt. Father's brother's wife. In Konkani we say kaki. Kaki. Aunt cooks delicious food. In Konkani we say Kaki ruchik jevan ranta. Kaki ruchik jevan ranta. Ruchik means delicious. Jevan means food. Ranta means cooks. The next word, grandfather. In Konkani we say ajo. Ajo. Today is my grandfather's birthday. In Konkani we say आयज म्हज्या आज्याचो जल्मदीस. आयज म्हज्या आज्याचो जल्मदीस. आयज means today. म्हज्या आज्याचो means my grandfather's. जल्मदीस means birthday. The next word, grandmother. In Konkani we say aji. Aji. My grandmother can't walk. In Konkani we say म्हज्या आजीक चलूंक जायना. म्हज्या आजीक चलूंक जायना. म्हज्या आजीक means my grandmother. चलूंक means to walk. जायना means can't. The next word, aunt, mother's sister. In Konkani we say maushi. Maushi. He is my aunt's son. In Konkani we say to म्हज्या मावशीचो चलो. तो म्हज्या मावशीचो चलो. म्हज्या means my. मावशीचो means aunt's. चलो means son. To means he. The next word, uncle, mother's sister's husband. The opposite of maushi is mauso. In Konkani we say mauso. Uncle told me to get up early in the morning. In Konkani we say as मावशान सकाळी बेगीन उठ म्हूण सांगला. मावशान सकाळी बेगीन उठ म्हूण सांगला. The next word, uncle, mother's brother. In Konkani we say mama. Mama. I am going to stay at my uncle's place. हांव म्हज्या मामागेर रावपाक वयता. हांव म्हज्या मामागेर रावपाक वयता. हांव means I. म्हज्या मामागेर means at my uncle's place. रावपाक means to stay. Vayta means going. The next word, aunt, mother's brother's wife. In Konkani we say mami, mami. Aunt told me to come. In Konkani we say as Mamin yo mun sangla. Mamin yo mun sangla. Mamin means aunt. Yo means come. Sangla means told. Thank you guys for watching my video. For more videos, please subscribe, and if you like my video, please let me know about the same with your comments.